June 2025, a new month, a new beginning, and the stars above are whispering secrets about your love, career, health, even your hidden desires. Welcome to your June Horoscope 2025, where we uncover what the universe has in store for you, sign by sign, heart by heart. If you believe in signs, in energy, in little nudges from the cosmos, this video is made just for you. Dear Aries, June brings a shift. You're stepping out of emotional fog and into action. This is a month to reclaim your passion, whether it's work, love, or something deeply personal. Mid-month, expect a message that changes your perspective, maybe even your direction. Taurus, you've been holding back, but June asks you to speak your truth, especially in relationships. A financial door might open around the 14th, but only if you trust yourself enough to walk through it. Happy birthday, Gemini. Party popper, this is your season, and the stars say it's time for reinvention. If you've been waiting for a sign to try something bold, a new style, a new goal, a new beginning, this is it. Cancer, June lights up your emotional world. You may feel deeply nostalgic, or deeply ready to move on. A family moment around the 22nd will remind you, home is where your heart is most honest. Leo, your light is rising again. You've been in the shadows long enough. June is about stepping back into your power, especially in your career. Someone you least expect will be your biggest supporter. Virgo, slow down. Not everything needs fixing, especially not you. This month brings a lesson in self-compassion. Let others carry their own weight. You deserve peace, too. Libra, June balances your scales with clarity and love. If your heart has been torn between choices, expect a moment of divine clarity near the full moon on the 21st. Trust it, even if it feels scary. Scorpio, you've been dreaming big, but June asks, are you ready to build it? The stars push you toward commitment this month. In love, business, or both, something long-term begins now. Dear Sag, June is about faith. You've taken leaps before, but this time, the stars want you to leap within. Meditation, journaling, reconnecting to your soul's compass. All of this will bring answers you've been chasing outside. Capricorn, your energy is shifting. From doing to feeling, June calls for a pause, not to give up, but to realign. A surprise reconnection with an old friend might stir something tender. Aquarius, June brings fresh connections. Whether it's a new community, mentor, or partner, someone enters your life who helps you level up. Keep your eyes open around the 10th. Destiny might be disguised as coincidence. Pisces, you've been carrying everyone's emotions. But what about yours? June invites you to reclaim your space, creatively and emotionally. Take that solo trip. Start that art. Let your soul breathe. If you've watched this video with your heart, now just do one small thing. Backhand index pointing down, comment the name of your child or the one who sits in your lap, your God, because it is believed. When you write the name of your child with love and faith, the universe blesses that name. Sparkles, may this month of June bring happiness, prosperity, and blessings to your child, your family, and your home. That's our heartfelt prayer. And yes, if this message touched your heart, red heart, like, repeat button, share, bell, subscribe, because here, every star tells a story, and every story has you in it.